Hi, this is Miss Flat, Mr. Bell. We're here. Hi again. Today is the 25th. It is our second day of in-service learning. So today I have a joke for you. Okay? What did the man's tie say to his hat? Can you guess? You go on ahead. I'll hang around for a while. Do you guys get that? It was supposed to be really funny.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to thank you guys for continuing to upload your work. It's really fun for us to check it out. Mr. Bell and I see that you're very happy and working with all those wonderful lessons being uploaded for us. Please keep them coming. That will help us give you a grade. I also put up the past and the newer drama videos for 7s, but 6s, you're welcome to use them as well. Today, we will continue with our regular schedule. We are going to be doing literacy, math, and science. And that's it from us. We hope you have a great day. Bye.